Now in this question it is given on day 1 there are 100 particles in a laboratory experiment. On day n where n is greater than or equal to 2, one out of every n articles produces another particle. If the total number of particles in the laboratory experiment increases to 1000 on day m, then m equals what is the question. Now on the first day number of particles produced is 100. So from day 2, because where n is greater than or equal to 2, so that means from day 2 1 out of every n particles produces another particle. So day 2 will be what? 100 plus 100 by 2. 1 out of every n articles produces another particles, right? So on day 2 the total number of particles produced will be 150. Now on day 3, which will be what? 150 plus 150 by 3, because this is a third day, so which is going to be a 200 particles on day 3. Now let's move to day 4. Day 4 will be what? 200 plus 200 by 4, and this is going to be a 250. Now from the values obtained so far, we can say the given sequence is a progression. What type of progression? We have an arithmetic progression with a constant difference of what? 50. And the first particle, the first day total number of particles is 100, so that will become the first term of the progression, and constant difference d is equal to 50. And on a particular day m, the total number of particles is 1000. So general term of an arithmetic progression is given as what? Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. And on the m day we have 1000 particles produced, and a being 100 and n being m minus 1 into the constant difference 50, so which is going to be a 900 equal to m minus 1 into 50. So that gives me m minus 1 equal to 18, so that makes the mth day to be 19th day. So that will be the answer for this question, option A.